Right, here it is, August 4, 2022. Time is about 4:49 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, I think. I can see my watch down here early. Another monsoon storm brewing across the valley here, so I'm coming down to shoot some more monsoon footage this morning, see what I can get. Got some lightning and a pretty good storm going on, though starting to pass by me now, heading towards the west. Blew up out of the east. Again, it's pretty dark down here. I don't think sunrise is till like about 5:42 a.m. or something like that, till astronomical sunrise. So just getting a little bit of this monsoon storm. I try walking around here for just a little bit. Let me pause this, and then I'm going to move on to another spot. Right, here I am recording. I'm going to walk around to here a little bit. This rain and everything's kind of making it a little tricky to do anything here. We're going to try to do something here a little bit also. I'm down inside here while there's nobody around, as far as I can tell anyway. And I'm down inside the actual West Paseo itself, recording. Let me walk up this ramp. Kind of dark out here, but walk up this ramp, sort of get a view of things back across here, even though it's pretty dark. Sort of get a rainy view of what's going on. The storm should be slacking off here a little bit, I believe. Starting to pass on radar, so but get a chance to actually be down in the West Paseo here. I'm gonna walk back down this way. Over here on the sidewalk, walk down through here. Be kind of like I'm in the future here. Have to watch this. I got these cutouts down through here. Don't want to step in a hole or something. There's a cutout here. This concrete forms down here. So I'm sort of getting a view of what it's like to be down here in the West Paseo. Out towards Brown and Main here. See what it's like someday when this is all fixed up. Looking down towards Brown and Main. And the tree back over here. It's all fairly dark, so back out of here. Right here, I don't know if this will show up in this lighting, but got their form stuff getting fixed up here for these turquoise planters in the future there. Watch out for these concrete forms. Well, this is kind of a little walk through the West Paseo here on a rainy Thursday morning. It is now 4:57 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. A couple more cutouts here I got to avoid. So it's just a little look inside the West Paseo here. I think it's going to be a little bit of a crooked video. It doesn't seem like my video is balanced here, but getting quite a bit of rain down here this morning. So let me get back out of here. May just wait till the sun comes up. The sun comes up, I think I'll walk down to Brown and Main here. I'll just walk down to the Old Town Tavern. Up to Brown and Main. On a rainy Thursday, August the 4th morning. North up Brown and Main. South. Good water flow going over here. Light coming. Alright, I think I'll cut this short here and go back to some cover and then wait a little bit. Right, here I am down in the Old Town Tavern Loft. We still have a gentle rain falling. Time now is 5:47 a.m. Just a few minutes after astronomical sunrise. So I'm going to shoot down through the Paseo here. You can probably still hear the tinkle of rain on the roof here. So we've settled into sort of a broad area of gentle rain across the valley right now. Seems to be the deal. Temperature is about 75 degrees. Nice little breeze blowing out of the east. So actually very pleasant. I've been hearing some activity back down to the east of me. Sounds like one of the little small bobcats down there doing something. So I'm going to stop this and move around to the over by the Aline building and shoot a little bit down there. Then I may move on down to the east end of the project and then wrap up this early morning and shoot here. Alrighty. Alright, here I am coming up by the Aline building over here at the West Paseo. Time is 5:51 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And there's not really anybody down here because it's raining. So it may be limited to what they can actually do here until it bobcats out down here going at it pretty ferociously. Working on that ramp or doing something associated with that ramp over there. So I'm going to shoot a little bit here. And back around. Might be limited what they can do today. You don't want to get down here and start messing up all the stuff you've worked on. So we'll see. But this is the 4th day in a row I've shot down here this week. That's quite a bit of shooting. So, but this is what it looks like down here on this rainy Thursday, August the 4th, 2022. So I think I'll wrap this up here and I'm going to go down to the east end of the project. I'm thinking right now probably the library steps maybe, but when I get down there I'll make up my mind exactly where I'm going to shoot from. Alrighty, let me wrap this up here and start moving on around. Right, here I am down at City Hall, Civic Lawn area, looking over towards the West Bowl, and just saw some lightning there if that shows up on the phone. Time now is 6:05 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So just kind of checking out to see how monsoonish, rainy, cool day looks down here across this area. There are some people back over there with one of these small backhoes doing something. It's kind of quiet down here. Needless to say, I'm sure the rain's put a damper on some of their activities for today. But the rain will probably clear off after a while. By the time we hit the afternoon, there'll probably be some sun shining out there. So let me switch over to my telephoto lens and get a better look at what's going on around here. Right, here I am on my telephoto lens, shooting across towards the West Bowl. Sky's kind of dark back to the west there. The storm, the heavier part of the storm moved off to the west. There's just some light sprinkling rain activity going on right now, but I'm not going to shoot that much down here this morning. Not much activity, but it gives us sort of a view of what looks like when you got a monsoon storm moving through the valley in the early morning, how it impacts the work site here. So we shoot just a little bit here, and I'm going to walk around to the East Bowl, see what's happening down there, and call it. Then I'll probably go to the library steps, then call it a day. Alrighty. Alright, here I am down at the East Bowl, and shoot just a very little bit here. See how the rain's impacting the site. Pan around here. See what we got. Not like a huge bunch of puddling or rain or anything. So it's not really impacting it that much right now, unless you get more big heavy storms across the day. This is what we got going on down here in the East Bowl. So to end this here, move around by the library steps, I think, and then call it a day. Alrighty. Right, here I am down by the library steps, shooting over to the social hub here. Time is 6:25 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Still a little bit of light sprinkle going, but seems like it's starting to taper off a bit. You see some clearing back to the east over there. So I'm going to pan on around here towards the Civic Lawn area. And I can see back over there, it looks like the big front end loader. Back over beyond the that blue man lift, doing some activity back in there. So you can see just a little bit of what's going on here, which actually isn't very much, other than kind of a gentle rain falling across the site. So I don't think the rains impacted them that much, though. It was raining heavier earlier, so I'm sure the ground's a little bit soaked, so running any heavy equipment across it might end up messing you up somewhat. So who knows what they'll do today, if very much. I'm sure there's other more detailed things that can be done other than just dirt work or whatever. But this is what we got going on here. So just a mellow, cool day, which is very nice. Not too great of a working day, I guess, for the guys out here. But they're doing some things here and there that they can do. Big front end loaders over there, pushing dirt up, getting it moved out of the way. Across there, piled back up near the fence. So I think I'll call this good. Finish up my day here. It was a fairly interesting day. Not much in documenting the site for work, but get some idea of what monsoon activity can be and do down here. So I'm gonna end this up here and call it a day. Alrighty.